Raes. Welcome back to the channel. So I am going to be doing a twist out because it's cold outside and I just want to put my hair, you know, in some twist, give it a little bit more moisture and not have to worry about, you know, a whole wash and go. So what I decided to do was use the Obia Naturals twist whipped butter. Now, I don't believe that I've ever used this for a twist out. I'm pretty sure I have not. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure I've not used this for a twist out. I usually use this twist whipped butter under the curl enhancing custard that I like from this line as my moisturizer. But today I'm gonna try it for a twist out just to see how it works, see what kind of hold it has and moisture and things like that. I did use the Curl Moisture Cream as my leave-in. It is what is in my hair now, and I did put it in the shower. I will say that this Curl Moisture Cream is a very whipped type consistency, really light, really whipped. Feels very much like a whipped cream, maybe a little bit thicker, like if you took heavy cream and kind of whipped it with a whisk or a, you know, a hand mixer and it kind of got a little bit thick. That's kind of how this is. It does not have the same feel that a regular leave-in has as far as going on your hair and things like that. So I do want to let you know that if you decide to use this and have never tried it, it does not have that same creamy leave-in feel where you can feel the moisture and all that stuff. Now, that's how it feels, you know, in your hands, and then going on the hair, it doesn't go on as well on wet hair. I thought about trying it on, you know, damp hair on one side and wet hair on one side, but I'm trying to just hurry up and get my hair done, so I decided I'm not going to do that. It may feel better going on damp hair. So I said all that to say that. Now I'm going in with the twist whipped butter, and if you guys didn't know, all of Obia Naturals products are vegan, pH balanced, and natural. But the twist whipped butter is somewhat thick. It's a more light cream too, very whipped feeling, has a nice light subtle scent to it. I'm just going to take a little bit and rub it on here. Nothing overpowering or anything like that, just a nice subtle scent. Nothing I can put my fingers on. So if you guys want to know what is in the twist whip cream, I suggest you go to the Obia website and look at the ingredients list there. Remember, I am not going to be going over ingredients as much anymore because ingredients change too much, and by me mentioning them in my video and then they end up changing, then I get a whole lot of comments later talking about it doesn't have that or it does have this or whatever, and it's just not worth it. And I know you guys are saying just ignore them. I can just ignore them, but other people may not in my comments who are reading my comments, and so then that could affect my credibility and things like that. So if you want to know what is in a product, go to the website and check out the ingredients for yourself, or check out the ingredients once you go to like a beauty supply store and pick it up. So I will say that, but I will say that on the jar as of today, it does say that it's vegan, pH balanced, and supposed to be natural. When you're seeing this January of 2023, the company is vegan. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding the cream. It is a white cream, so you will see some white on my hair for a little bit, but it should dry clear. And I'm trying to figure out how big I want to make these. I didn't want to make them too little. So I'm just going to keep doing this all around my head, and I will be back when I have all the twist in to let you see what it's looking like. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I got the twist all in. There's still a little bit of white on my hair, but I am confident that that is going to dry clear. So I will say that this, because this is so whipped, a little does go a long way, and when you mix it with these, it does start to kind of foam and seem like it's spreading, and the product just gets everywhere. It starts to flop. See, it starts to flop around and everything, so be aware of that. So yeah, we're just going to let this air dry, and I will be back once it's dry for the takedown, and we'll talk about the twist whip butter and how I like it for twist outs. I know that I like it underneath, you know, the custard, but I want to know how I like it by itself. How does it stand alone for twist out? So we'll talk more about that. I come back for the takedown, so see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm back and my hair is dry, so we're gonna go ahead and take these twists down and see what it's looking like.
Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. How much you're messing with me. How much you're messing with me. How much you're messing.
Okay guys, so I got all the twists out. I didn't do a whole lot of separating, but I did some, and as you can see, I got major definition. So my hair is soft, it feels moisturized. So twist with butter, curl moisture cream together works well. I have no flaking, and like I said, my hair feels extra moisturized. It feels, I mean, the definition is ridiculous. So this does, even though it feels soft and whipped, like it might not give you a whole lot of definition. You saw the white on my hair looked foamy. It actually does give me some good definition. Now, how long is it gonna last? I don't know, because like I said, it is soft. I feel no crunch whatsoever. It is soft hold, but with all this definition, I believe that it will last. Of course, you guys know I always come back on day 3. Now, will I come back on day 3? I don't know. I think I'm going to, and I said it before in some previous videos, that I'm going to be making some changes in 2023. So I don't know that I'm going to be doing the whole 3rd day hair, 5th day hair, and all that stuff. I've done it long enough. I did it with twist outs and I did it with wash and go. So you guys know pretty much what my hair looks like on 3rd and 4th day. It looks the same for the most part. If anything changes, it's just a little bit of frizz or whatever. But you guys know what my hair looks like. If you don't, go to my playlist. I'll put a playlist up here of my wash and goes as well as my twist outs, so you can kind of get an idea of what my hair looks like on 3rd day. It's usually still defined for the most part, with a little bit of frizz around the edges, of course, and then it's usually a lot bigger and stretched, because I will usually twist it at night just to give it a little bit of fullness. So I don't feel like I have to keep doing that day after day after day, year after year after year. You guys need to go back and watch my videos entirely. Don't go in the beginning and then hurry up and try to fast forward to the end just to see what the hair look like and then click off, click out or whatever, because then you may miss it. But in the majority of my videos from last year, I have shown you 3rd day hair, 4th day hair, or whatever. What I will do is probably go back and put a blurb like I used to do in editing. It saves me time. And I am about, doing in 2023, I'm trying to spend more time with my family and less time on YouTube. I'm still going to be doing videos. I'm going to be doing two a week. If I can get a third in, I will, but my goal is twice a week. And with that being said, I will put a blurb on third day hair if I can, or how long it lasted, if there's any changes, if there's some changes that I think you need to know about, like it dried out or it gave flakes or whatever, I'll put a blurb there. If I don't have a blurb there, it means that my hair lasted. My hair lasted, the moisture lasted for the length of time that I needed to last for. So I'm just letting you know that. But right now, this is how it looks. And it's very defined, and it's more shrunken because it is a fresh day one twist out. So it's going to look a lot shorter. I have not cut my hair. It's just, you know, shrunken up. If I pull it, you know, in the back, you'll see that it's still the same length. It's just shrunken up. So yeah, this is my hair. So with that being said, I'm not saying I'm gonna come back on day 3. If I feel like I have time and I want to or whatever, I will, but don't expect it. That's what I'm saying. Don't expect it, because I may not always do that. So anyway, guys, that's it. I am actually in a hurry. So I don't have on any earrings and stuff like that because I am in a hurry. I'm trying to go somewhere, so I just wanted to pull my hair out real quick so I can get out of the house. And this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm gonna put on put on a little bit of gloss. I guess I could do that. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you have tried the Obia Naturals Twist Whip butter for a twist out, how it worked for you. Tell me after this if you're going to give it a try. I think it's a good product. I think it's going to work well for the winter, because as moisturizing as it is and as soft it is right now, and I'm getting ready to go out in the cold, I think it's going to last and do my hair good. It has a nice healthy sheen to it, so that's great too. Yeah, guys, that's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.